Mga kaigsuunan, maayong udto, hapon, buntag, gabi, I don't know where you are right now, but to you watching this video, perhaps I should just say, good day. Na ako karon sa Utrecht to celebrate the pre-night of the King's Day. However, I was thinking while wandering around, naisip ko, bakit kaya sobrang galit or sobrang perhaps takot sila kay VP Inday, na talagang they would do anything, literally anything, just to make sure that she will be out of office, or just to make sure that she won't be the vice president or will not have that opportunity to run come 2028. Listen to this.
Hindi ako tao na nagpapaareglo. Tsaka hindi ako tao na nabibili ng pera.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the very reason why they are so afraid of this woman. In her blood lies the blood of the best president, the greatest president of the Republic of the Philippines, which they, by the way, persecuted through advancing their tactics international, utilizing the International Criminal Court. Ang mga taong ito ay takot sa sarili nilang multo. That's why they need to make sure that this woman, the future president of the Republic of the Philippines, needs to be subjected to propaganda, prosecution, even though wala namang basis. However, she remained unbowed. She will definitely answer all of your allegations one by one. And while she's doing that, the Filipino people will be watching. We are closely monitoring the development of the impeachment proceedings before the House Committee on Justice, while it will be perhaps later endorsed to the Senate, and then the Senate will act as a high impeachment court. But still, the Filipino people are more aware more than ever of the tactics utilized by the Kampengs, Dilawans, detractors, the demons of our country. But let it be known na ang mga Pilipino nagmamahal sa mga Duterte, nakikipaglaban kasama sila para sa bayan, ay hindi natatakot. Kami ay lalaban kasama ang mga Duterte para sa bayan, para sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino, at para sa future generations of Filipinos, which will definitely take a stance as well, or will be strong enough to make sure that we will be free from any foreign external pressure, and that we will embrace our Filipino identity. Mga kababayan, we are a sovereign country, and that must remain as such until the end of time. So yun lamang po. Sana meron kayong na-realize sa video na ito. If meron, don't be shy to share this video. Until my next one, ito po si Alvin. Hanggang sa dulo, ilalaban natin ito.